Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sitole. I am making scones today. Very excited. For this recipe, guys, we need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, a cup of milk, a cup of sugar, vanilla essence, a rama, and baking powder. That's all we need. Guys, I already measured my flour, my 4 cups of all-purpose flour. The next thing I'm going to do is to sift my flour, because guys, it's very, very important to sift your flour. Like, very important. There are other benefits of sifting your flour when it comes to baking, but the main reason why I sift my flour is to get rid of all the lumps, guys. You don't want to find yourself baking with flour that is full of lumps. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. All this, guys, is going to the bin. To my sifted flour, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Guys, 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So since I put 4 cups, I'm then going to put 4 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm starting with my dry ingredients, guys. You separate your ingredients, your wet ingredients aside and your dry ingredients aside. I'm starting with my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to mix my wet ingredients, starting with eggs, sugar, mix, and then add my milk. Okay guys, now I'm mixing my wet ingredients. I'm going to start with my 3 large eggs and add my 1 cup of sugar. Then whisk. Guys, if you don't have a whisk, you can always use your fork. You can always use your wooden spoon or just a normal spoon, guys. And then I'm going to add my 1 cup of milk and continue mixing. I'm now going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Guys, if you don't like vanilla, you can always use your orange essence, your banana, your whatever essence you like. And guys, mixing is very important because you want your sugar to dissolve like properly, and all your other ingredients, you want them to mix properly. Okay guys, now I'm going back to my dry ingredients. Now guys, I am going to put the last ingredient to this recipe. I am going to put Rama Sunshine, like my butter. I always prefer to use Rama Good Start, Rama Original, but since I don't have it, or a wooden spoon, but since I don't have my faves, I'm going to use this one, like Sunshine. Guys, my Rama is from the fridge, that's why I'm able to grate it. If you like, you can just freeze it. It's going to be much easier for you to grate your Rama, your butter. So I'm just grating it in just to make things easy for myself. Another thing, guys, everything I used here is on room temperature except my butter. My butter is from the fridge. Guys, do you see what I'm doing? I'm just rubbing it in. I'm just rubbing. Not doing much, I'm just rubbing. I'm gonna do this until my flour resembles fine breadcrumbs. My flour is ready now. I'm now just going to mix my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients. And guys, at this stage, this is where most people get it wrong. Guys, the way you mix your flour, the way you mix your dough is going to determine how your scones are going to come out, soft or hard as a brick. And guys, you can always go in with your hands. You can always mix with your hands. So you need to be gentle when you mix. When you mix your dry and your wet, you need to be very gentle and make sure that you don't just put all your wet ingredients all at once, because if it's too wet, then it's gonna be a problem. But if it's dry as well, it's gonna be a problem. So just and make sure you avoid over mixing. Do not over mix, because your scones are gonna be hard and you don't want that. Okay, now my dough is ready. I'm happy now. I don't want my dough to be too wet. I'm happy now. First thing, I'm going to sprinkle some flour, some dry flour, to my wet surface and transfer my dough. Okay guys, I'm just sprinkling some flour, some dry flour, so that my dough won't stick to my hand. And then just pat it with my hand. Guys, I do not use a rolling pin when I make scones, because I do not want to overwork my dough. And guys, I did oil my tray with oil, with cooking oil. If you have your cooking spray, you can use a cooking spray, or you can just oil it with your butter. You can just apply butter on your tray. Now guys, I'm just cutting my scones. Guys, you don't need to have a cookie cutter to cut your scones. You can always use your knife to just cut whatever shape you want. Guys, you can use your knife, you can use your glass, you can use whatever. And guys, my oven is preheating on 190 degrees. And I'm gonna bake on 190 degrees. Guys, I always say ovens are not the same. I cannot stress that enough. The ovens are not the same. You need to know your oven. If it's hotter than mine, you need to observe. You need to observe your scones when you're baking. You don't just put your scones there and just leave them alone. You need to observe, you guys, and know your oven, because they're truly not the same. So I'm gonna bake this for 20 minutes. So now I'm just going to beat my eggs for an egg wash. Guys, if you want a glossy finish, you want a glossy golden look at the end, this is what you use. Your eggs, just beat your eggs, one egg, or you can just pour a little bit of milk, or you can just use just milk, just to achieve that beautiful finish. So that's what I'm doing right now. After this, guys, I'm just going to throw my tray in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, my scones are out of the oven. They're ready. They smell amazing, 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 guys. They look so big and tall. I don't know, guys, if scones can be tall, but guys, for a lack of a better word, I'm gonna say my scones are tall. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much, guys. I hope this was simple enough. I hope I simplified this recipe the way I wanted to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Guys, yeah, I'm done. And they're very soft, guys. They're very soft, you guys. I don't know, guys, if you can see what I see. guys. I don't know if a camera is doing it any justice, guys, but the scones are amazing. Okay guys, I'm done, I'm finished. Like, this is it, you guys. So guys, like, please, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment, you guys, and subscribe, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am on a road to 600. But yeah, please, you guys.